Well, hello again, everybody. As you can see, Mitch is at my compost pile.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a good food, mate.
Yeah, and kind of complimenting me on actually how good this compost really looks. It looks more like fresh topsoil than anything.
It's better than raw oil, mate. It's a good food for my seedlings.
So, help him plant his seedlings in that. So this is going to be good.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
So, and like I said, boy, an ulterior motive for coming to visit. Yep.
Yeah.
Well, he knows where to come.
Oh, now he does. No.
So, yeah, good.
Well, keep me going now for a while.
Yeah, don't mind helping out my friends, that's for sure. Give them a head start and that. And you all know from listening to my videos that anything you plant here, you got to feed it because the soil is not that good. And this is just perfect proof. And
everything you got to done for this, you got to wait 6 months.
Yep.
To become like this. So.
Yep. And
my
now
it doesn't wait 6 months.
So walk around here to the back and see and as you can see he's going to be resting on the ground here pretty soon.
His car is full of shit now.
Yeah.
Lift it up.
And the last one went in the back seat, so you all get an idea. So, yeah.
My wheels are low now.
Well, as long as you
heavy.
kind of take it easy going down.
Yeah.
You taught your pigs how to sing?
No, but we should. Boy, they sure do squeal loud. What you're hearing, folks, in the background is our pigs squealing.
They're not getting killed.
No, that's the male having his way with one of the females, no doubt.
He's ready.
Yep.
He's ready to go.
Go, boy. Do your job.
And we've been doing that the last few days, just going through and doing the same thing. Getting the females pregnant for another round.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So he's all primed for you, Mitch.
To have some babies. Philip has got some. Brian has got some. Now it's my turn.
Yep.
So one day I will have some.
Yep.
Right, you know. He's on top of her.
Is it?
Oh, he probably is.
It's on top of the black one.
Whoa, that's why she's quick.
We're heading down there to the pig pen, and you can hear all the squealing. And
he's a busy boy.
Oh, he's probably chasing her around the pen right now. I'm sure he is.
Look at that.
He wants to do boom boom.
He wants to do boom boom.
Yeah. And then the girl don't want. It's too early. The girl said, "That's my face." It's not supposed to be there.
So, yeah, we're all down at the pig pen. We got the sunshine in here, so hopefully it's not getting too much in here. I'm kind of backing up here to try to get a good picture here. So, at least I can talk right now with the old boy squealing like that. Pretty hard to talk at all. I'm going to let you folks go. Again, thanks very much for watching the videos, and so good to have our guests here today. We always appreciate visitors, neighbors and friends, and just to be able to get together even during the week is really such a pleasure. So we'll say goodbye for now. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back with you again shortly.